Splicing glue 10:1 precise ratio. No need to weigh repeatedly. Mix 10 parts of adhesive with 1 part of curing agent. Stir well and even beginners can get started with it. The adhesion is really strong. Solid wood splicing, furniture assembly, DIY woodworking. Apply a hard bond after curing. Bubbles do not come off easily, not bulging on hot and cold days. The interface is tightly sealed, like a one-piece molding. Whether it's making wardrobes, desks, or solid wood decorations, there is a stable batch of it being assembled.